So we've all been there, right? The weather changes and our tires go flat. It happens every time. That icon comes on in the car.
Or sometimes they don't even go flat. Sometimes the icon comes on and it's just a little tiny bit that's, well, you guys, look at you. You're all fancied up with your glasses and everything.
We're ready.
So, hi, good morning.
Science guy Steve Spangler joining us right now.
In order to see cold, why not liquid nitrogen, right? So it's 320 degrees below zero. And so I thought it would be kind of fun if you could kind of see what happens just immediately. So, so you don't touch it, right? Super, super, super cold. But here, watch this with the balloon. So here's what happens. As the weather changes, all of a sudden the molecules or the air molecules in your tire will change as well. So pretend like those are the air molecules. Watch what happens. As you come down in here like this, it's okay, don't be afraid.
I'm always afraid when you're here.
It's fine. Don't be afraid. Look at this. So as it changes, look at this. Nothing leaks out. The molecules are just getting closer and closer together.
That's what my tire looks like.
See, there you go. So so it is less. You can just kind of see how it starts to collapse in, and now all of a sudden, when you get cold, those molecules now start to move out, and so that's why you don't change your tire, or you don't put air in your tire when it's extreme cold or extreme hot or anything, because it can be easy to be able to overinflate or have it this way. But isn't that kind of amazing?
That's amazing.
That we're back exactly the way that we started with it again.
You're a smart guy, Chris, by the way, because I saw you back away at one point, and that's what you should do when Steve's here.
Well, there's always a slight temptation. It's like, can I? Should I? This is kind of cool, but no.
Well, there's a possibility we can get it as low as possible. So again, as it starts to get cold, those molecules come closer together. As it starts to warm up, the molecules move further away from each other. So that makes it kind of fun. But when I'm in studio, there's always fun things to do with liquid nitrogen, like clouds and things. And this is the first time you've never done this.
No.
No. So just to make sure that everybody is together, so that you kind of know as you're looking at this. So you just don't put air in your tires. If the sensor's going off, check them, but don't put air in your tires when it's super cold or super hot outside, because it could be just a temperature change. So allow it to happen. But our tire people know that really, really well.
So quick question. So to that point, because we are seeing the balloon kind of expand back out, if you were to put air in your tire, could it conceivably overinflate if you were to put air in your tire then?
It could, well, it could very well, yeah, especially if you're doing it when it's cold and then all of a sudden it really does warm up, and there could be a huge problem that way. You know what I mean? The other huge problem, right, Corey, is this, is if you have a lot of liquid nitrogen left over, which is just fun. I mean, that makes life a little bit more fun. Chris, get in here. You're going to love this. So it's no problem. Here, hold on just a second. I got this bucket of hot water. It's fine. Get in here, Corey, get in here. Because watch what happens. This makes isn't that more fun this way? It's just, that's... So anyway, I just wanted to give this to you at the end, because I just thought that would be kind of fun. If you're talking about the science of cold, why not? Right? No, why not? Here, hang on. Here oh, that's a nice one as well.
You're getting crazy.
Isn't that fun? It's
super
always fun to be back in studio. The video has been fun, Chris, but in studio, the insurance rates at 9 News go up. So that's kind of what happens to me, and we understand a little bit of the science of cold as well.
What was my first question when I walked over here?
My favorite was Corey standing back here.
Yeah, she wants to know where the fire extinguisher is along the way. Is that kind of fun?
Is this what your house looks like at Halloween, by the way?
Well, there's small problems, small little issues along the way, but it should be just fun.
You were the cool house, for sure.
Totally fun.
Well, we love when you come in.
Thank you.
I love it too, by the way. Let the record show Corey was standing back here at the initial drop. This is
I've learned my lesson.
Let the record show that I thought about it right before I did this. Should I shoot the cloud up in the air? Because some people are right now at home going, why didn't you shoot the cloud up? There are thousands of dollars of cameras and everything. I'm just being responsible.
Now? Yeah. You care now?
After the deposition, I do, yeah. So
well,
I've been told, I've been told.
We were just talking about, you've what, done 1,500 shows with us, segments?
This year we'll mark 1,500 segments here at Channel 9, so that's kind of a fun thing,
We're going to have to do some like Ellen DeGeneres style big thing.
This is a great idea.
Bring Chris in, not me, but you can do it all.
Ellen said on the very last time, it will air on January 7th, so we just went out and taped it, and she said, would you come back for the final? So I get to go back in like March or in April, and she said, would you come back? And I said, sure, and I said, what do you want me to do? And she goes, torch the place, I don't care.
Yeah, she's done, right?
Yeah, she's done.
I don't
she
need
says,
a studio.
just make it big, and so it's going to be big.
Yes, you do that usually. Steve, as always, thank you so much. Happy holidays.
Thank you, you too. I got to get rid of this now. I don't know where to go.
Yeah, I'm not helping you with it.
I'll go to your car, Chris.
Take it to Ed.
Yeah, that'll be fine. Ed likes this stuff.